All right, we're here with Brian Menadide, our top wide receiver at the Step It Up camp in Tampa. Can you describe yourself as a player for us?
I'm a hard-working wide receiver that if the ball's thrown up in the air, I'm probably going to come down with it. I'll fight for the ball in the air. That's one of my strengths, I guess.
Tell us about your experience out here at the camp today.
It was a good experience. It was good to see a lot of the other players, like recognized players that are not in my county and my team, see what other talent there is out there.
What are a few things you're looking to accomplish this offseason?
Speed, definitely speed, route running, footwork, all that stuff. Things that can help me get open on my routes and stuff.
What are 3 or 4 colleges that you're interested in right now?
Florida schools, really any Florida school. USF, UCF, FAU, FIU, Miami, Florida State, any Florida school. It could even be a small school. I'm looking into it. I like to stay around home.
What are some things you're going to look for in a college when you make your final decision?
If they have what I'm looking for in my degree, academics, just the campus, how it is, the football team, if they're a good team, the coaches, teachers, stuff like that.
Awesome, man. Thanks for